Welcome to the Queen Mary High School and Junior College.
The independent India we are living in today is only because of revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh. Dedicating a video to this legend, Bhagat Singh. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. Bhagat Singh's birth date was 28 September 1907 and the date of death was 23rd March 1931. The lifespan was 23 years, 5 months and 23 days. His father name was Kishan Singh and mother name was Vidita Kaur. On 13th April, Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened. Bhagat Singh was only 20 years old then. He travelled 40 kilometers to Jallianwala Bagh and witnessed thousands of people dying right in front of him. The death of those innocent people left an extreme impact on him. He then vowed to strive for the complete independence for his country. In 1921, he joined Gandhiji in his non-cooperation movement. In 1922, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement. Therefore, Bhagat Singh left Gandhiji's group and made his own formation to advocate violence against invaders. He left his parents' home at the age of 17 years to fight for India's freedom, establish a revolutionary organization by the name of Youth Society of India, later converted Youth Society of India into Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He joined Lala Lajpat Rai in the protest against the Salmon Commission. British government ordered baton charge which killed Lala Lajpat Rai. Together with Rajguru and Chandrasekhar Azad, he plotted to avenge Lala Lajpat Rai's death and went to Kolkata. He was against the regulations made for laborer. He joined Batukeshwar Dutt in creating a smoke bomb. Planned to bomb the Central Assembly in the way that it wouldn't cause any harm. He wanted to get poisoned. In jail, he was shocked to see the bad condition of the Indian prisoners. He started an indefinite hunger strike and it continued for almost 64 days. He was ordered to be hanged on 24th March 1931. But the ruling government got afraid of protest and hanged him on 23rd March 1931. He proceeded cheerfully towards the gallows while chanting his favorite slogan, "Down with the British imperialism." We are proud to be born in a country where such revolutionaries were born. Thank you. Have a nice day.